During the first round, the most important topic at that moment were the announcement of the end of the war, and accordingly, and since the start of Monday morning, after reaching the agreement Monday, Tehran time, the announcement of ending the war was released, but the official start of the Memorandum of Understanding will be on Friday. The announcement of putting an end to the war was announced Monday morning. This is very important, and it has been mentioned in the Memorandum of Understanding. This will be lasting. We need to end war. War will be ending everywhere on all fronts, including Lebanon. And due to the relations between war in Lebanon and the aggression of Israel on South Lebanon and the war on Iran, these two fronts, Iran and Lebanon, are quite connected to each other. And since the very first day, the Islamic Republic of Iran has considered the end of the war in Lebanon is quite connected to putting an end to the war on Iran. And at the time where we reached an agreement regarding a ceasefire, the truce was announced on all fronts, and we were confirming the Lebanon front as well. Now, we can say that the end of the war in Lebanon will be also connected and related to the end of the war on Iran. I'd like to say something now, and I want to confirm that. From our point of view, the parties of the Memorandum of Understanding, America, Israel, one side, and Iran, the second, and Hezbollah, the second front. And the end of this war is part and parcel. Lebanon and Iran, they are quite related. End of the war will be the end of the occupation, and without retreating and withdrawing from the Lebanese occupied territories, then there will not be an end of the war. So any military attack from the Zionist entity against Lebanon from now on will never be accepted. The continuation of the Israeli occupation to Lebanese territories is a violation of the Memorandum of Understanding. I would like the journalists to leave this room now, and I will talk about